Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at SoFi. We're going to look at a couple things, but first off, here we go. We're going to redeem free cash. Now, I know there's not a lot of places you can get free money these days, but this is still one of them, and I'm going to put it on my loan because, I need to make more payments. This was supposed to be a short-term personal loan. It's like a hard money loan almost. So pretty good terms, not bad, right? But you can see here, still on track. That's good. All right. So as soon as I can, I'll be paying this off. That'll be a good deal. Obviously, it's a huge chunk of money. So, all right. Next, I want to go over invest. So I went through this before, and they've changed the layout slightly, and I'm not sure I like it still, right? So still have the graph, okay, you can see max, just the year. That's good, right? You can see the buying power, the cash we have available, all good things. And down here for the investments, you can easily buy or sell any security that you have. So I guess that's okay. If you click on it again, that's when you can get the detail of it. And you can kind of see some of the stats of the stock. It's okay. All right, so the layout's not bad, but I still like the other layout better. You can see here, they still have the automatic investing, so that's a good deal. And they also have added this, margin. Now, I personally am not going to start margin up on this account. I have margin in another account. Actually, I have a margin on a couple other accounts, and I don't really like it, okay? I don't like borrowing money, long-term or short-term, just to make more money. It's too high of a risk, especially in this volatile market. So, not sure about that, okay? But looks pretty good. Crypto, let's go over crypto for a second. Bitcoin was doing really well, all right? And then all of a sudden it wasn't. So you can see here, we were up in a it's not showing me Bitcoin stats. All right, here's the Bitcoin stats. Let's look over the last 3 months. That's probably a good picture. All right, so we were way down, 26-ish, right, in the 25, 26 range. And then, bam, we scored, right? We were up 30. I thought we were heading to the moon, okay? I thought we were just going to start that gradual climb. And then suddenly it waned off. And then, Tesla, SpaceX, whatever, Elon's doing his thing. And we're back down to 26. All right, what the heck's going on? Anyway, halving is still approaching. And according to the charts, we should be going up here within the next, 6 months, a year, whatever. But in the meantime, just making small incremental investments in this account and others into Bitcoin for the inevitability that we're going to be going higher. So, over here on the credit card side, okay, I used the credit card a little bit, and you can see I earned some more points, and the available credit hasn't changed. But one of the things that I still do not like here, you can't do balance transfers. And that's really unfortunate because SoFi is really missing out on this opportunity. Okay? That's how you get people hooked in. All right, banking. Okay, the banking has changed slightly as well. All right, the APY for the checking has gone down precipitously. So it's gone way, way down. Okay, don't like that so much. All right. And the savings account has gone up. So 4.5%, that's pretty decent. You can't find that a whole lot of places. I think the highest that I found is like 5 point something percent now. So it's not terrible, but it's not the best. I don't know. I don't have a whole wad of cash in there, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm not going to be making tons of cash on it. right? And they have this new feature called Autopilot. Now, I haven't used this yet myself, but it's pretty interesting, okay? You got different places you can put your check. You can split your paycheck into different areas. You can do recurring transfers. You can do roundups. You can split it. Lots of different options you can do, all right? So check that out. Not sure where they're going with that. I know Envil, I was a part of for a while. It was a online bank that didn't make it. So not only did I invest a little bit into that one, I used it for a little while. I was totally unimpressed with their AI and their whole banking system. Probably why they didn't make it. Anyway, that's in the past. We're going forward. And SoFi, I do like. I still like SoFi. Other one is Yada Bank. You might want to check out. Go check out my videos for that. It's an interesting take on the lottery, right? It's a savings / investing / lottery system. Yeah, it's okay. You know, I still like SoFi probably the best of all of them because of all the different features you can have right in one spot. It's a one-stop shop, okay? The relay system's pretty cool as well. You can track all your investments and banks and whatever you have. It's really cool. So, anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and consider joining to get my real-time stock trades. Because that's how we really make money here, right? All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.